Why is it that as soon as spring blooms, every homeowner suddenly fancies themselves as a real estate guru? It's a transformation more magical than a caterpillar into a butterfly. In the mystical realm of the seller's market, homes become as rare as common sense in a reality TV show. The iron's hot, folks, and it's time to strike. Imagine playing a high-stakes game of Monopoly. But instead of battling for Park Place and Boardwalk, you're dealing with real-life mortgages and the unpredictable moods of buyers. And here we stumble upon the pitfall of overvaluation. Setting the price too high is like trying to sell a gold-plated bathtub to a family of ducks. I hate to break it to you, but it just doesn't fly, folks. In this era of budget-conscious buyers, attempting to sell your overpriced mansion is akin to selling ice to Eskimos. Spoiler alert, it's not happening. And who needs a quick sale these days? Why not enjoy the thrill of watching your house collect dust like a forgotten relic in a museum? After all, prolonged listing periods are all the rage. Then comes the classic move of reducing the price after overpricing. It's basically like trying to put toothpaste back in the tube. Good luck with that. Now let's talk about the role of your agent in price setting. Who needs Google when you have a real estate maestro who can magically conjure up the perfect asking price? Because believe it or not, pricing your property slightly below market value is the secret sauce. Who needs to aim high when you can aim just low enough to attract those bargain hunting buyers? So, dear friends, trust your agent. They're the only ones with the mystical powers to navigate the treacherous waters of real estate pricing. It's like having a wizard on your side but with more paperwork and fewer spells.